Hey everybody, this is Trader Steve. I'm back from my Southern Caribbean adventure. Not only did I do a lot of scuba diving, but I also got the plague on the cruise ship. So I'm just recovering from that. And I sound like a frog right now, so please forgive me, but I feel much better than I sound. So we're going to start this weekend update with the weekly chart on the QQQ. And as you can see, we had a big down day here on the FOMC, 2 hours of death. We got the red candle of death still sitting there. But, we haven't even broken the 9-day moving average on the weekly, and all the indexes, the moving averages are still pointing up. That doesn't mean that, we can't roll over, but usually when you roll over, you have big red candles after another one, and that's not what I see right here. So at best, we're going to bounce sideways and maybe stay in a tight trading range until we see the new president, see what policies he wants to throw out there on the 20th when he gets into office. And then we'll kind of see what the market wants to do. So that's the QQQ, very strong index. And look how far away it is from the 200-day moving average down here. That's the blue line that you see here at 371. And the stock market right now is at 518. So it is a very strong stock market. So we're going to go to the SPY next. Same thing. It broke the 9-day moving average, but it's still pointed up. We've got green candles here. Except for the FOMC weekly candle. It's just grinding along, but it's been in a tight range, and so there hadn't been a whole lot of trades until, the last couple days that I saw there. You have to be on a short candle, a short time frame to, get some of these trades in, because it's definitely, the long charts aren't moving much. So here's the Russell, the weakest index besides the diamonds or the Dow, but it's bouncing right here off the 28-day moving average, and we'll put a little circle around it. And maybe we'll get some good news on interest rates soon, and this baby will continue to roll higher. We'll see what happens. Here's the diamonds ETF for the Dow. And it too kind of had the weaker of the last month of the indexes. And we'll see what it's going to do. I really don't trade the diamonds much. It's just there for, the big old companies, I guess you could say. And here's the transportation average. And it just kind of had these 3 weeks of boop, 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 down it goes. And now we have higher low, or a green candle that's higher than the last green candle, which is indicative of maybe we're going to go up. And then we have gold, and gold is sitting here sporting a engulfing candle on the weekly. It's kind of been in sideways flag motion here for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks. And here's the TLT. Interest rates just don't seem to want to go down, even though Powell told them to. So the TLT is going down. Here's the lows of 23 that kind of sparked the rally. Rates started moving, I guess. And, when this goes up, rates go down. When this goes down, rates go up. And as you can see, rates aren't doing what they're supposed to do, and that's a conundrum here. Something is going on. We'll see what happens. Something's got to give, and I'm sure it'll give here in the next few weeks. If hell, it could give tomorrow. I don't know. No one knows. And let's look at Amazon. Just looking good, just kind of going sideways, consolidating the gains of this year. Tesla, man, just the beast. Did the Cobra here. Now it looks like it's going to chop sideways. Very strong, very strong. Beautiful stock to trade. And I think it gets the champion award for option trading because this stock is the beast. And it is, I'll show you a trade happened last Friday. And when was that? Yeah, the day before yesterday. And it really paid off, and the people that got in it, good for you. Apple, got bad news out of China. They're just not selling a lot of iPhones like they used to. And, we'll see if, all these tariffs start throwing around. Apple's going to, catch it on the chin here. So just remember, the tariffs, there's going to be winners and there's going to be losers. And Apple's China business is going to take a whipping, and so get ready. Microsoft, man, just chopping sideways since what, July? Yeah, but for traders, this can be good on a small time frame chart. So thanks a lot, and this is Trader Steve signing off. Take care.